Kadil Logan. Psh, psh, psh. Logan, what are you doing there?
The dirt, honey.
Are you playing with the tree? Ha ha ha. Sit down. Stay. Oh, now he doesn't. Okay, we got the pictures.
Oh, did he get his legs dirty? Yep.
No.
Yep,
No,
yep,
just
yep,
his
yep.
feet.
Hold on a second.
That's fine. It's okay, bring him. Whoa. Mommy, I wanted to play with that tree. Look at the floor. Get up.
Wow, look at that tree.
Yeah, Logan was in that hole.
Hanging from the tree. It looks like grapes.
What the? What is that? Oh my God, look at you. Oh yeah, let's not destroy Mommy's camera. Wow. Do you hear that, Logan?
No.
Do you hear that, Logan? Do you? Stand up. Don't sit down. Yeah, that's a nice, weird-looking tree. Oh, there's another family. Yay. Someone else is here. How did you find my new camera case?
He was digging in
Whoa.
digging in your loot over here. Mommy.
¿Qué agua? ¿Agua? Opa. I like your face. Those are cool socks that girl has. I like her socks. She looks like
Socks in 90-degree heat. Her legs have to be melted.
Toma, Logan. Aguinha. Baby water.
No.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's keep moving. Logan, walk. Actually, Mommy wants to see if you... Wait, don't put him in the stroller yet. Let's see some.